Hey everyone, it's time for you to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and it's also time for you to fire up the Instant Pot to make some sweetened red bean paste. Red bean paste is a breeze to make in an Instant Pot, and you will save tons of money making this yourself. Wash 1 cup of red beans and place it in the Instant Pot with 2 cups of water. Set the Instant Pot on a high pressure and cook for 50 minutes. After the pressure releases naturally, place a pan on medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of oil. Without waiting for the oil to heat up, add the red beans to the pan. If there is residual liquid from the bean cooking process, strain this off first. Then add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Cook this on medium heat while stirring and mashing with a spoon. Cook until the mixture has thickened and your red bean paste is complete. You can now use this to bake your next batch of red bean buns, or even just spread it on white bread. We hope you enjoyed the video and will hit the bell icon to get notified of our next video. And we will see you in the next one when it's time to eat again.